Welcome back. In this lecture, I'm going to tell you about the third website which is great for downloading images. The name of the website is unsplash.com. Here you can find beautiful free photos. Let's explore this website a little more. As you can see that these images are there. This looks amazing, These photos looks great. You can download any one of them. Let me show you the collections. Collections are very good. Halloween collection is there, autumn collection, political, different themes are there. If you're looking for technical photos, you can find them here. Orange and red, animals photos, so many varieties are there. There's an option of submitting a photo as well. You can explore business images, women images, nature images, technology images. This website is free to join. Let me show you how to download an image. Suppose if I am looking for this image, then I will click download free. As you can see on the left hand side, this image started downloading. Now there is an option they are saying thanks. Crediting isn't required but is appreciated and allow photographers to gain exposure. So they are talking about embedding the credit badge, but it's not required. So this is how you can download an image in this website. There are very good images for you to download. I will see you in the next lecture.